These clams are so juicy. Hi everyone! Today we're going to grill some delicious clams. Let's go! For the ingredients, we need 10 large clams, around 2 kg total, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 15 grams of chopped green onion, 2 tablespoons of roasted peanuts, then 2 tablespoons of crispy shallot, and finally a pinch of salt. Begin by preheating the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Then use a brush and clean the clams. Then place them on a baking tray. Put them in the oven and bake for around 15 minutes or until the clam shells are completely open. For the sauce, add 1 teaspoon of sugar, 3 teaspoons of warm water, 1 teaspoon of fish sauce. Add chili and minced garlic as desired. And finally, half a teaspoon of lemon juice. To make the onion oil, add the cooking oil in a small saucepan, heat up the oil, and then pour it into the green onion cup. Add a pinch of salt and mix it well. When all the clams start to sing, take them out. Then remove the top shell. Add a little bit of green onion oil on each one of them. Then add the roasted peanuts. And finally, the crispy shallot. Here you go. Look at these delicious clams. Wow. Ooh la la la. Mmm. 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 Mm. Ooh. The last one. Mmm. Mmm.